Hi guys, here we are at the Hyatt Regency O'Hare in Chicago near the airport, and I wanted to give you a quick room tour. This is a standard room with one king bed if you'd like to check it out. Here we are, room 1073. The room's not huge, but it's really nice for an airport hotel. Here we have a bathroom with extra towels. All your usual amenities. So you have hand soap, hand lotion, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. The shower is not huge, but it'll do if you just need a one-night stay like us, with a full-length mirror. Over here in the closet, I have a luggage rack, ironing board, extra towel, extra bedding, and a pillow and toilet paper. And then if we come over here under the TV, drawers for all your stuff. And here we have safe mini fridge, as well as a nice desk here if you need to do some work. Coffee machine, tea, to-go cups, Keurig coffee machine, plenty of chargers on the desk. If you are a Discoverist level or higher with Hyatt, you get complimentary waters, ice bucket. And then over here, your king bed. Okay, the king bed, what do we have over here? A little notepad, a little bit more storage, extra chargers, and then on this side, a speaker with more chargers in the speaker. If you guys are not Hyatt members, I would definitely suggest that you sign up. It's free to do so. And then if you have any of the premium travel credit cards, like a Chase Sapphire, you can use that and transfer your points to Hyatt, and then you can use that to get free points and stay your night for free. We actually also have the Hyatt credit card, which gives us one free night up to a category 4 per year. So that's what we used for this stay, which was great. So this stay is completely complimentary for us. I would suggest doing that. You can shoot me a message in the comments, and then I could send you my referral link if you'd like to sign up for that. It's really helpful. I hope that this room tour gives you some info if you guys are looking to stay here. And thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.